All right, today we got another Ducati lost key replacement we're doing. Customers send the dashboard cluster, they send the ignition. This one is a 2021 Ducati Supersport 950. I don't think it's the S. I think it's just a regular 950. And that's about it. Basically, what we're going to do is going to make the key from scratch, decode the ignition, figure out what the cuts are, and we're going to do the special programming required to put the chips into the cluster so the anti-theft system will recognize it and start the bike. That's about it. There ain't much really to say about this. If you're having trouble finding people, it's a couple reasons. One, they probably don't see a lot of motorcycles with the chip systems and transponders and immobilizer systems built into them. Two, they may not have the equipment. You know, you got to have the key machines. You got to know how to make the keys from scratch. You got to know how to do the special programming. You got to have the software. Software packages is different modules depending on what you're working on. Believe it or not, you know, it's not just one software do it all. I mean, it's modules. You build up based on what you see normally. I see a lot of Ducati, so obviously I have all of the Ducati software, all different types for all different types of dashboard. This is a newer style dashboard. Definitely is 2021. Even the chip data and everything is totally different from, let's say, a 2012 Monster. So that's about it. I'll come back with this program and everything in a little bit. Thanks. All right, this puppy is done. Keys are cut from scratch. So basically, after I cut these keys and I make them from scratch, basically what I do is I'm going to figure out what the existing key is. So I'm not changing the key. So when you get the keys back, it should work the seat lock, gas cap, whatever lock you have on there, providing that the key that you had before worked everything. Now, if you change the ignition over time, no, I'm not going to be able to do magic and change the inside of the locks. But if your bike was working on one key, yeah, it'll work the same way. Here you go, key one. On, off. Key two. Steering bolt lock. That's it. Let's look at the chips. Alright, chip one's good. Chip 2's good. So basically these two keys are programmed into the system on this 2021 Supersport 950. All you have to do now is plug everything back up, connect everything. Bike will start right up. If you don't have no spark or ignition type problems, but if the bike's working great, that's it. Those of you, when I send back the unit, sometimes I put tape over the screen so I can so the screen will get scratched up. But that's about it. This is get ready to go back to the customer. And you need my help, give me a call. I won't be able to tell you how to fix the bike or do certain things. Only thing I deal with is the keys. If you lost the key, you need it programmed, whatever. This is what I do. That's my specialty. Go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you for watching.